Ekonomi Amerika Serikat menambah 223 ribu lapangan kerja baru pada Desember, menurut data Departemen Tenaga Kerja AS. Angka November juga direvisi lebih rendah ke 256 ribu pekerjaan, bukan 263 ribu seperti estimasi semula.
The labor market is slowing, but not so dramatically, and not crashing. More importantly, there have been so many fears that higher interest rates, high-profile layoffs would lead to a really dramatic crash in the labor market, and that's not what we're seeing. Kind of job growth remained robust. It's above its long-term trend, but down from November. More importantly, the unemployment rate fell. It's now back at the lows that it has touched this cycle. And equally, wage growth slowed. I think that final point is what most economists were hoping to see, and particularly inflation hawks. Wage growth slowed to 4.6%, which is the slowest we've seen since August of 2012.
Angka ketenaga kerjaan dicermati Bank Sentral AS atau Federal Reserve yang tengah mengupayakan penurunan laju inflasi lewat kenaikan suku bunga acuan. Sebelum terbitnya laporan ketenaga kerjaan terakhir, pelaku pasar dan pelaku usaha juga menelaah terbitnya notulen dari pertemuan terakhir The Fed untuk 2022. Dalam notulen tersebut, terlihat bahwa Bank Sentral AS tetap berfokus pada upaya untuk meredam laju inflasi. Laju inflasi seperti ditandai oleh indeks harga konsumen telah melandai, meski jauh dari target Bank Sentral sebesar 2%.
What you're seeing here with these minutes is really a continuation of that tone, where the Fed is re-emphasizing, even if they potentially slow the pace again to 25 basis points in the next Fed meeting, they still are very committed to fighting inflation.
Sebagian penasihat keuangan menilai artinya resesi tak terhindarkan.
The Fed has raised interest rates really at a historically rapid pace. You've seen some effects of that, but as they will tell you, monetary policy changes act with a long and variable lag. So we won't start to see the full effect of what they've done, for years down the road. And you're already starting to see sectors of the economy weaken. Manufacturing, if you look at the PMI data, is in contraction, new orders contraction, housing, has completely frozen up.
Tapi akar resesi mendatang berbeda dari resesi-resesi sebelumnya.
The last two recessions were two of the deepest and most damaging in history, with the COVID recession and the Great Financial Crisis. I think this recession, given the starting point that we're at, which is strong consumer cushion and really robust job market, I think it could be fairly mild by historical standards.
Indeks harga konsumen terbaru terbit 12 Januari, sementara rapat The Fed selanjutnya diawali pada 31 Januari. Dari Washington DC, Nova Purwadi dan tim VOA.